From the 1st of January 2012, all principal contractors will be required to interact with revenue electronically. Here we will describe how a principal contractor inputs a payment notification using the Ros online application. You may also use the Ros offline application or your own in-house accounting system once it is compatible with the new RCT system. Before you can interact with revenue electronically, you must first be registered as a Ros customer. To register, go to www.revenue.ie and click on the About Ros link. To register, click on the New Users link, Register for Ros. Full instructions are presented to enable you to complete the 3 steps to become a Ros customer. Apply for a Random Access Number, or RAN for short, apply for a digital certificate, and retrieve your digital certificate. You can also access this process from the Register for Ros link on the Revenue homepage. Once you are registered, you can log into Ros by clicking the Log into Ros link on the homepage. Select the certificate you wish to use from the drop-down list of all certificates stored on your computer. Enter the password for the certificate selected. Click Log in to Ros. From the Ros My Services page, scroll down to the relevant Contracts Tax options and select the Principal Contractors RCT link. This presents you with the relevant Contracts Tax homepage, giving you the following options. Input a new contract notification, search existing contract notifications, input payment notification, and search existing payment notifications. If you are a subcontractor or partnership, additional options to look up and review the deduction rate and allocate credits will be presented. This video describes the input payment notification process for a principal contractor. Before you can input a payment notification, the contract must first have been notified to Revenue using the Input a New Contract notification. To commence the process, click on the Input Payment Notification link. Select Input to proceed or Back to return to the RCT homepage. From the contract list, select the contract you wish to input an RCT payment notification for. The contract list can also be refined using the online filters and sorting options. Scroll down and select the line item and click the Input Payment Notification button. Enter the gross payment amount in the Payment Notification Detail screen. Click the mouse pointer outside this field or press the Tab key on your keyboard to invoke the automatic calculation of the net payment amount and the deduction or tax amount. Note, if the return key is used, the automatic calculation process will be invoked and you will proceed directly to the next stage. Payments should not be made in advance of entering the payment notification and receiving a payment authorization. If, however, the payment has already been made, you should tick this checkbox and complete the additional fields revealed. Enter the date payment made by clicking on the calendar link or by typing directly in the field. Select the rate applied to the payment from the drop-down list, i.e. 0%, 20% or 35%. Finally, enter the reason for post-payment notification in the free flow area, for example, prolonged broadband failure. Revenue will be monitoring how often this option is used and by whom to ensure it is only used in the appropriate circumstances. Click Continue to proceed to the Input Payment Notification page. Another payment notification can be entered by selecting the contract and clicking on the Input Payment Notification button in the same manner as before. Up to 100 payment notifications can be processed in one batch. The payment notifications that you have entered are presented as line items on the bottom of the page. Here, the payment notification can be deleted or edited by highlighting the line item and clicking the appropriate button. Click Continue to access the Payment Notification Acknowledgement screen. Click Back to return to Contract Summary or continue to proceed to the Sign and Submit stage. Transmit your payment notification by entering the password you used when signing in and click Sign and Submit. Finally, you will receive a Ros acknowledgement that your RCT form has been transmitted and that a receipt will be sent to your Ros inbox. Note, a notice number is allocated for use in any further communication you have regarding this form. Click OK to return to the My Services page of Ros. In your Revenue Records section, a new message will be available in your inbox. To view this message, click on the mailbox icon. To search for or view a document in your inbox, select one of the search methods: document type, notice number as given on the Ros acknowledgement screen, tax registration, etc. Here we are searching using the document type by firstly selecting the tax type RCT from the drop-down menu, followed by the document type payment notification. Click on the underlined document type to view the payment notification acknowledgement. You can expand the document to reveal more detail by clicking on the chevron. Close the window to return to the document listing. Click the back link to return to your inbox. And finally, to return to My Services, click on the My Services tab. Further information about the payment notification process is available on the Revenue website or from your local Revenue office.